तुझ्या डोंगरात उत्सव झाला झाला किती आनंद झाला झाला किती आनंद झाला सेवा हरी तुझी सेवा नमस्कारी नमी ओ देवा नमस्कारी नमी पाचो फळांनी पाचो फुलांनी तुरुवा वाही नमी ओ देवा तुरुवा वाही नमी पाच फळांनी पाच फुलांनी तुरुवा वाही नमी ओ देवा तुरुवा वाही नमी सर्व शिंगारा ते जन्मभरा हे माझं मागणं रे ओ देवा हे माझं मागणं रे सर्व शिंगारा ते जन्मभरा हे माझं मागणं रे ओ देवा हे माझं मागणं रे अरे झाडपली निधी वाऱ्याने झडपली झडपली गं निधी वाऱ्याने झडपली बाबा आहे का दूरदेशी बाबा आहे का दूरदेशी बाबा गाड्याला नजरेशी नजरेशी गं बाबा गाड्याला नजरेशी बाबा गाड्याला नजरेशी नजरेशी गं बाबा गाड्याला नजरेशी देवदया दत्तात्रेया दिगंबरा गुरुराया देवदया दत्तात्रेया दिगंबरा गुरुराया काय तुझायो काढून चांगला काय तुझायो काढून चांगला फेरी करायला उठून चांगला फेरी करायला उठून चांगला गणपती देवा झाडून चांगला गणपती देवा झाडून चांगला देवदया दत्तात्रेया दिगंबरा गुरुराया देवदया दत्तात्रेया दिगंबरा गुरुराया जय 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 माळो जय 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 माळो माझा दरिया माळो माझा दरिया माळो सरीवर कसे सरिये 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 मसाला तुझे माझा मसाला तुझे
Day and retail celebration today. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for this day. We were looking for this particular auspicious day throughout the last few days. Our students were overwhelmed by your presence. We were waiting for all the guests and the parents to come here, enlighten us, and also try to boost the energy of my students. Once again, I welcome everyone on this occasion. Thank you.
I'm quite lost for words actually. I work in the hospitality industry, but for 4 years of my life, I was also a teacher. And what makes me very happy is to see how much this school and these teachers are doing for the students, because they are basically building their lives, you know. And I remember coming here 4 years ago, we had sent out this message to all the schools in Goa saying we have this special program for from ITC, which will make somebody a professional. It will be a degree basically, which is going to be free. We will give them accommodation and everything. And it is only this school that replied. And we got a really amazing student. When I first met Ramu, I knew he was going to go and do great things. Surprisingly, actually not surprisingly, he was also one of the best students of our complete entire batch all over India for this. And that says a lot about because we had to go to 3 or 4 different interviews right up to the top level, and there were times where they said, no, he's not going to be able to make it. But I had faith in him, and he had faith in our here. So keep doing what you are doing. The students will grow, I'm sure, the way you are left. You will have students of the month awards. I think is so amazing and so touching. I'm sure the parents must be very happy that their children are in the right hands. Thank you all and keep doing what you are doing. Thank you. Thank you.
Your children are in the hands of good school and good teachers. So I would like to congratulate all the teachers for this. आणि हे जे नाते स्टुडंट्स आणि टीचर्स त्या असंच बसावं, छान फुलावं आणि त्यानंतर तिथले अनेक विद्यार्थी अभिषेक सारखे असेल किंवा राहुल सारखे असेल असे विद्यार्थी पुढं चांगल्या पोस्टवरती काम करावे. That's why Government of India, they have started this particular concept. I would like to highlight the parents and the students over here about what is exactly the aim of NSQF. आम्ही 4 शब्द सातत्याने ऐकत असतात. एक स्वयंपूर्ण, दुसरा असा शब्द तो निर्भय, तिसरा शब्द असा तो निर्भर आणि मागील स्वयंनिर्भर. So first word is there, that's स्वयंपूर्ण. Most of the time what we are trying to do, we are trying to remain in an academic education. Maybe different subjects we are trying to learn, and when we learn different subjects, we are only concentrating on the part that how much marks the child is getting. Say the child is getting around 95%, 96%, but if Christ knows well than me because he is a person from industry, and he will going to say the marks will not going to make any difference in getting the job, but what the child can do, that is very important to the industry. Because I am the person from the automobile industry, and I know what are the things every half an hour research and developments are taking place in the industry. Presently, today evening I will be leaving to Pune, and I'm presently working on the speed injection system, that is a hydrogen engine. We are trying to work together with the research and development of the Tata Motors. But industry wants the skill-based education, and NSQF we have started around 15 different job roles, 15 different job roles, and 15 sector आणि 25 job roles we are trying to handle in all over Goa. And in that, some sectors are so good. Out of that, tourism and hospitality sector. I have seen from the morning the exhibition which was highlighted has given really a thinking process. नवीन ज्यांना आमच्या तकल्यान विचार येतात, आता एक नवीन प्रोजेक्ट केल्लो गेलो आसा की एवरी टाइम व्हॉट हॅपन्स, the travel industry comes or tourists are coming in the Goa for the 3 purposes: sun, sea and beaches. So these are the 3 areas: sun, sea and seas. That is the beaches they are trying to come. But overall, if we try to see, there are other areas where we have to highlight, because most of the time the just now going through the statistical data of the tourism industry, 60 to 80 lakhs tourists are visiting Goa, and we got the population of 15 lakhs. So 15 lakhs divided by 80 lakhs, because I always go in the calculation. So every citizen of Goa has to earn during especially season time per day 2,000 rupees. This is the calculations we are doing.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.